Vlogging has been around since the early 2000s. In recent years, vlogging became a lucrative career path with the rise of Filipino influencers as entertainers and even as political operators.
Initial impression siya dito sa mga pahayag ni Sandro Marcos.
More than half of Filipinos online watch vlogs every day. Social media became a powerful platform for vloggers and content creators to influence and persuade their followers. Can vloggers be change makers too? Samahan niyo po kami at ating pag-usapan sa Cyberchat Season 3, Episode 11, #Vloggers as Changemakers.
The World Children's Day was celebrated in Rome for Cyberspace.
At sasamahan ko naman kayo tungkol sa mga usaping pang-iban.
Marami din nag-participate ng mga bata, no?
And 300 adults malaya at nakakabatang araw po sa inyong lahat.
As a parent, talagang importante ang cyber safety because of misinformation, fake news.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment.
Hey there, Cyber Chatters! Welcome sa episode 11 ng Season 3 ng Cyber Chat. Actually, parang ako ngayon dapat i-welcome kasi ang tagal ko rin hindi nakita yung audience natin. Na-miss ko na sila, Miel.
Kaya nga eh. When was the last time na nandito ka?
Hindi ko na maalala eh. Siguro pa naman ni Kopong-Kopong.
Wow! Grabe, pero I do miss you, David. No? Welcome back to Cyber Chat. And of course, welcome back sa ating mga Cyber Chatters.
Pero wait lang, bago tayo mag-proceed, para may question ako.
Ano
Nag-enjoy ka ba sa dance video challenge natin?
Of course naman,
maybe
David.
this time?
Sobrang ako nag-enjoy doon. No, alam mo, nung una kala ko, ang dali lang ng mga steps kasi ang bilis lang gagawin-ganon ka lang. Tapos nung nandun na tayo,
Hindi ko,
grabe,
no?
ang hirap eh, no? Wow, nakado ka nga lang, nakailang takes ka nga lang, tapos
Di ba? 100 takes lang. Kaya mo. Gusto ko nga i-extend eh, kasi
Wow.
kulang lang. Pero kulang lang sa time.
Ayun
so,
nga eh. Buti na lang, yung buhay ay
Time lang. Hindi weather, no?
Pero alam mo, David, no, grabe itong video ni Ralph Cyril Villaluz. Yung nagpa-viral sa Maybe This Time Dance Challenge.
You know, he's just a grade 10 student from Zamboanga.
Grade 11 grade 10 student
10.
lang siya.
Yeah.
At David, alam mo ba, yung kwento niya sa Showtime, sabi niya, bored lang daw siya that time, tapos naghintay siya ng volleyball training. Tapos then, naisipan niya na gumawa ng dance move. Tapos would you believe, naaabot yun sa mga millions of views?
Oh, kaya siguro pa ganun kasi sinaspike na niya yung bola.
Grabe, no?
Excited na siya. Nag-viral na as of September 7 nga, 33 million views na.
Grabe.
Tapos, alam mo ba,
Oh.
ang chismis, hindi pa niya cellphone yung gamit niya.
What? Grabe.
Baka nga dumoble na, di ba?
Napaka-ironic eh. Alam mo, David, by this time, this episode is aired, alam mo, who knows? It could have been doubled by this time. He has guests in Showtime and ASAP, and who knows, maybe next time, may movie na siya.
Pelikula agad, no?
No? Grabe. You know, we are just ahead of Ralph by how many years? 1 to 2?
Two?
Yeah,
Yeah,
pero
two.
you know what? I bet lahat ng mga kabataan, just like us, have seen his video. Ikaw naman, David, what are your thoughts on this?
It's nice to, alam mo kasi ako nagtitiktok ako, Instagram ko.
Oo.
Maliligo na sana ako, pero bago maligo, 5 oras ako sa ganyan. TikTok ako ng TikTok, Instagram, news, lahat na lang, no? Pero masaya eh, kasi pagod ka, gusto mo lang mag-unwind, you'll open social media.
Yeah.
And that's what social media is for, no? Pero I have this burning question in my mind, Miel. Ano bang thoughts mo dito? How should us young people look at it? Tsaka yung fame na binigay niya kay Ralph.
Alam mo, I think of social media as sometimes we use it as an escape, no? When times get too rough, too overwhelming, we often look at our phones. Kahit saan nga, di ba? Nag-phone pa tayo. Sabi mo kanina, kahit sa CR na lang, nag-phone pa tayo. It is a great way to for us to express our feelings, our emotions freely without the judgment of society. And I like the way kung paano na-express ni Ralph yung kanyang mga feelings. through the use of dance, no? And you know, yung napansin ko dun sa mga dance moves niya, is medyo ano siya, unusual from the dance steps na may expect mo sa isang lalaki. Medyo ano, malamya and exaggerated eh, no? Pero it's a testament to how us kabataan can really use our voice, can really use our influence to inspire other young people to go on and express their authentic self.
Alam mo, tumaas balahibo ko sa influence kasi maraming iba't ibang content creator tsaka vlogger sa social media na napakarami rin ng followers.
Alam mo ba, YouTube and Facebook released their 2024 second quarter top Filipino vloggers in terms of number of subscribers and views respectively.
Talaga, kailan nila nilabas? Parang di ako updated sa chismis na yan. Alam mo, walang kwenta na yung Bachelor of Arts in Marites. Pero I'm interested to know, sino ba yung top influencers tsaka YouTube vloggers?
Ito na nga, David. YouTube's number one with 17.9 million subscribers ay walang iba kundi si Ivana Alawi with 17.9 million. Grabe yun, no? And alam mo ba, second one is Niana Guerrero with 15.7 million. And holding the third spot is his half-brother, Rance Kyle at 15.2 million. At sumunod naman sa kanya ay si Zainab Harake with 14.1. And number 5 spot goes to Alex Gonzaga with 13.9 million. O David, may mga pinafollow ka ba sa kanila?
Actually, ang dami kong, parang lahat yata yung subscribe ako eh, no? Pero ito naman ang nakuha ko sa Facebook. Ang number 1 ay si Sir Gabin or si Chief Allen na merong 2.7 million views. Tapos, ang sumunod sa kanya, si Vin FPV with 1.7 million views. Number 3 naman si King Lux with 859,000 views. Then, Con Cruz with 672,000 views. And number 5 is Cherry White with 623,000 views.
Grabe.
Kailan mo ba sila?
Of course, alam mo, pinaka-idol ko talaga si Sir Gabin. Ako, kakatawa yung content niya. Pero at the same time, he is also producing some serious content that could inspire us young people as well.
Inspiring. Pero grabe, they are most viewed on Facebook. Considering that half of the online population consumes vlogs, can you imagine the influence na meron yung mga content creators dito sa million nila mga followers?
Alam mo, grabe yung influensya na meron sila, no? That is right. Alam mo, kasi influencers sila. Alam mo, have you noticed ba, yung mga pina-follow natin parang wala sa top 5.
Actually, oo nga. Baka nasa top 20. Baka may with honors pa sila, di ba?
Baka nga, David. Alam ko, nagugutom ka na. Siguro, ako rin naman, no? Alam mo, why don't we take a break muna and I will check kung ano mga ranking nila sa mga influencers dito.
Sige, good idea. Ka-chatters, napakaganda ng topic natin ngayon. #vloggers as changemakers.
Kaya wag po muna kayong aalis. Kami po ay nagbabalik dito lamang sa Cyberchat Season 3.